Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? We are back after about, 3 or 4 months or something like that. We got the old lady here. Hi, old lady.
Hello.
She'll be helping film today. But anyway, it's been so long because, as you can see, we got the carbs and the oil injector and all that stuff back in. But yeah, I made some videos doing the carbs and everything, and I decided to do them on my phone. And the phone decided it was going to delete all those videos when I moved them to my computer. I don't know. I'm not good with the technology, so I rebuilt these carbs. I ended up buying new carbs because come over to my handy dandy workbench here. I forget which one it was. One of these carbs is cracked. I'll have to find that and show you guys at a later time. So I ended up going out and buying new carbs, and now I ordered a new exhaust, so we got to put the exhaust on, and then the gaskets should be coming in, and after that we're going to see if this baby runs. But I poured out the old fuel in the video that I made, pulled the gas tank, everything off, cleaned all that. I literally lost 3 videos worth of stuff, so I'm actually pretty upset. That happened back in like November or December, and then I just got upset and didn't upload since, October or something. So we're just going to get down right to her, pull these exhausts off, and got the new ones over there. Getting ready to rock. I ordered those bad boys. Well, not new, but new to me. But yeah, we'll get these bad boys off. See if the old lady wants to give some filming for us. And yeah, we'll get back. We'll get the channel going. I'm hoping to get steady stuff going out this year. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to pop. I already popped this one spring off. I'm going to pop all the springs off. I'll set them over on the seat here. I got the safety squints on because, they like to fly. So, get these bad boys out. There's probably a better way to do this, but we like to do it the special way around these parts. This makes you, wow, that one's, that stays on. Milwaukee's are not getting grip today. Alright guys, so I got all the springs off at the head, so I'm going to pop off these hold down springs, and then I'm going to pop the springs off the muffler, and then we should be able to pull these things out. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll get right back at you with you guys. Gentlemen, we got all of our springs off. I kind of popped this pipe off, so kind of just got to get them out here. Ooh, there's a lot of oil in that. We're just going to set these in a line over here for each cylinder. These bad boys out. Yeah, she's running. Ooh. A little rich. Smells good, bro. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Pop this bad boy out. Maybe. Oh, the donuts fell off too. Makes it easier. Sometimes I like to get stuck on them. So this one, this is why we're getting new exhaust, because this one has a fat old crack in it. They're pretty much all rotted out, ladies and gentlemen. But I already knew that from the last time it ran, so yeah, we'll get those out of the way here. Just the third cylinder. That's going out. So yep, there's those. So come on down here. I don't know where this bracket goes. It was just sitting down there, but it's broken. It's broken. So I have to figure out that one goes. Looks like it was here. Yep, right there. Holds the exhaust. It's an exhaust support. So I have to pick one of those up. One of these, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, if you come over to good old cylinder 3 here, I'll see if I can, so just mind holding the light. Stick our finger up in there. You could see that she's a little milky. You can't really see, but anyway, we do got ourselves a nice blown head gasket by the looks of it. So we're gonna order some head gaskets up, and I'm gonna unbox this exhaust. Well, used eBay exhaust for you guys real quick, just to inspect it, make sure we're all right. I already got these all the exhaust gaskets and donuts and springs ordered. So now it looks like you got to get a head gasket in because we got to go riding next weekend. So that's pretty mint. So we're gonna pop these exhausts out and take a gander at them, folks. Alright guys, we got the eBay exhaust out. Everything looks good. Since these are from a different, year sled, the exhaust flanges are ever so slightly different, so I don't know if that's going to work or if I can just, cut the flanges off mine and then weld them on there. So we're going to try to do that. Not in this video, this is just like a quick update and tear the exhaust apart video for you guys, but there's that. We're going to hopefully get this thing done in about a week here, so try to get a lot of videos out. So yeah, what I'm talking is these exhausts have just a little flange right there for the donuts to rest on, so it's not a big deal. I could probably just cut that off and weld it onto the ends of those, or not. It probably will work either way. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video, and I guess we'll see you in the next one.